on my way to class, final lesson of the year, of the term, of the series, of the set. Nice finality to everything. Oh yeah. And want to report back that successfully woke up again before 5. Can't recount it. I can't recount exactly at what time I woke up, but it was definitely before 5. So now the next step is just carrying on with what to do after I wake up at that time. So today being Sunday, it would have been jogging at the park. For whatever reason, that didn't happen. I tried. Well, I did make everything easy the night before by laying out everything, my jogging gear, my running gear, my trainers, everything laid out. Just the bed was more appealing, I guess, and I had to solve some more mysteries in the dreams. But as well, I was calculating certain things. Such as next year, after next term, how much leeway am I allowed, and checking in with Japan, the school that I want to go to. Their term officially starts at this period, and for me to start on the official date and get the most out of that study, I would have to miss 3 lessons. And then I looked at the rules, and it said that if I miss 4 lessons, then my grades would be reduced or something like that, something of that nature. I don't remember the exact wording, but I can read it again. So, that sucked. Big time, that sucks. But it's not a done deal. Like, it's not terrible. Yeah. I think nearer the time, I'll decide what I'm gonna do. I think most probably I'll skip 3. Whether I skip 4 in order to get, well, if I skip 4, okay, here's the deal. Okay, term doesn't start until the 1st of April, and the 2 lessons I'll be missing if I go up on the 1st of April, the 3 lessons I'll be missing if I go up on the 1st of April will be the 31st, the 31st, the 3rd, and the 7th. So 31st of March, the 3rd of April, and the 7th. However, if I want to go earlier, for whatever reason, I would also be skipping the 27th. 7, 8, 9, 7. Yeah. So again, the dates are a bit of a mystery right now, but that's basically the idea. So if I went earlier, the target leaving date is 38th March. So to vocalize this, 38th March. And that's the day after the 37th. And 37th is the last lesson. Well, that's the 4th to last lesson. So if I skip that, then the lesson before, the fifth to last lesson would be on the Sunday the week before, and with that, if I then skip 4 lessons, then my grades might reduce. But I don't really see, because anyway, the value in going a week early, with the term in Japan not having started yet, it's literally 4 days difference. So I don't see myself doing that. Having said that, that's just the plan for now. So, as well as I didn't consider the Golden Week in Japan, which is the end of April next year, and it's the end of April until May 5th, and then the first class back is May 1st. If all the classes are at the same time and everything, May 1st. Now, again, this is all dependent. This is all dependent on the beginning half of term, whether or not I can keep my absences to 0 from January up until March. Because if I can't, then there's no flexibility. That's regarding production. Because with production, up until that 28th of March, excuse me, the 27th of March, with production, that's going to be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I believe 10 Wednesdays. 10 Wednesdays I have to circumvent. Because you got the first half of the term, which is 12 lessons, so that's 6 automatically. And then the second half of the term, another 6, but I'm missing 2. So that's going to be 10. So that's going to super suck big time. As well as production, if they go until the end of March, I'm screwed. But again, we'll see. Right now, I've paid the fees, so I'm committed to both school and production. And this Japan thing is going ahead if X, Y, and Z come together. I guess I can always try to say that for next year, January and February, that I may not be available on Wednesdays, but that's in saving up, in trying to retain the 0 absences at school in order to use the absences up at the end of the term. So it's a sticky situation, very sticky. And it's just over 100 days until March 28th. So within myself, setting daily goals towards improving my Japanese is needed. So we got that going for myself, ourselves. Speaking in the future, to you, future self. So there's that. So when you're with your agent in the future and you have scheduling conflicts, don't you still haven't relied on your agent to resolve them for you. You've proposed to your agent. You proposed to your agent that this is what happens if this happens, and this is what happens if this happens, and that these are the permutations of what can happen, what may happen. So you stay calm about it, because you know in the end it's a win-win situation. And that's how it goes on. Also, today ordered the Air Jordan 11 Concords ×2. So today is the official day where you spent the most that you've ever spent on sneakers, each being $169.95. I mean, when you verbalize it like that, it sounds ridiculous. But they're not going to be in stock forever. You know that. You know that they made surplus in order to not really make them like limited or anything like that. And you've been saving up and wanting these for a while, so you went ahead and bought them. Future self. And you're probably wearing something similar to them now, if not the pair that you stocked, and you bought a rock in stock. Rainy day. There is some plan for a rainy day in the future, but not as yet. Reason being, you looked online and you saw that actually your size is still available, which is kind of weird, but sizes 9 and above all gone, and sizes 6 and below all gone. But the medium sizes, as in 6.5 to size 8, for whatever reason, there's a availability for those. So you did it. You press click. You ordered it, and that's how it goes. Also looked finally, again, memory serves differently, but you did find a video of ESPN Kobe where a GoPro was attached to his chest or shoulder, where he woke up and went to the Lakers training facility, went to the Staples Center, and you saw that all from the point of view of Kobe. You found that video now. Just from memory, you remember him hitting an alarm clock, and from memory, you remember him dunking a basketball. But that could be something different, or it could just be like a memory leak. But either way, you found the video that you're looking for in terms of seeing what Kobe does when he wakes up. So congrats on that. Alright, so it didn't happen in terms of jogging in the park, running in the park today, but that's not to say that didn't learn anything from it. You learned that it is possible. It's just the staying up. It's the staying up that we need to work on. And the train's here, so peace out.